This is what it looks like currently when you walk in. This is the stuff that sits out front. And we're going to paint the walls and paint the shelf. And we're gonna put a new desk over here. The room back there is going to be the new office. That way we can open up the other office with the kids' room and make it bigger. And we're currently working on the hallway also. It's a mess right now, but we're getting there. Alright, we got the shelves emptied. Well, not that. We're just going to move that out of the way. We're not painting that. Shelves and this wall empty, and we're fixing to start painting now. Alright, we got the majority of this shop done. We're going to walk around and show y'all what we did. Alright, see, it looks a little different in here now. Got a big counter. And we figured purple would look good. Make it stand out more. Then we got the DVD shelf painted. We had it all the way filled up, but then a lot of the movies sold before we could finish the video. So that's why it's empty. And we got our mannequins out here now. Me, my wife, brother-in-law, and son did all this up here. Now let me show y'all the hallway. Well, we still got a lot of work to do in here too, but we moved around the shelves and got them painted. Look way better than what they did. And we'll continue to work on this shop and make it look good. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank y'all for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like our content so you can see more like this. Thank you.